there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings. They are really easy to make and I will show you step by step, so I'm sure by the end of this video you will be able to make them by yourself. I use really simple stuff, only 11/0 and 8/0 beads, two sizes of beads that you could find in any beading store, and the most simple ear wires, but I think the effect is great and elegant. So if you want to support me and see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't, and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Don't forget that colors change a model beyond recognition, so you could make different experiments. You know guys, what else you could check is my new merch store, where you could find pillows, hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, phone covers and so many other stuff, and the designs are made especially from me for you. They help you express your personality better, and they are a great present for you or for your beading friends. When you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel and my mission, and you could find links down there in description and here at the icon. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what I'm going to use are one color of 8/0 beads and 11/0 seed beads, and here I'm using ear wires and jump rings, scissors, size 10 beading needle, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and you could use other beading thread of your choice. And I'm squeezing my monofilament to go through this size 10 beading needle, but if you use regular beading thread you won't need to squeeze the thread to go through here, because they are made flat and easily go here through this ear. And now guys, what I'm going to do is take 3 feet of thread, which is 90 centimeters, and I'm going to start. Okay, and I have my thread on my needle, and what I'm going to take first are 4 seed beads. Okay, I'm sliding them down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I want to make a knot, and I'm making my knot by making a loop and going 2 or 3 times with my tail thread through the loop I've made, and this is called surgeon's knot. And now here is what I have, and I will go here through my following seed bead, and I'm pulling and I have this. Okay, now I'm going to take one red 8/0 and I will go through the following seed bead, and I'm taking one more 8/0, going through the following, one more, go here, and just one more, okay guys, now this is what I have, and I'm fixing them, and I want to go here through this red one. Okay guys, and now I need 3 seed beads. I'm going here through this 8/0, and I want 3 more. Okay, and 3 more. Okay, and I need 3 to finish my work, to finish this row of my work. Okay, and I'm going through here. And now guys, what I want to do is go through this middle one of the 3 beads that I just added here. And what I want to take is one red bead. And I'm going back in circle through this middle bead. The middle one of these 3. Then I will go through the next silver. And what I want to do is add 3 more silvers and go through these 2 silvers here. And here, guess what? I will do the same thing, add just one red bead. Go back here through this one in the middle and pull. Go through the following silver and add 3. Okay, I have 3. Then go directly through 2 silvers. Here add 1. And you see everything is repeating. Okay guys, and now this is what I have, and now I'm exiting after this silver, and what I want to do is reach here, this angle, again the middle one of these 3 that I added over this red one, and here I'm going to add 1 more red and go back in circle. Then I'm going through all of those beads here, just like that. And my goal is to reach my next angle here. And guess what? I'm taking 1 red bead, going back in circle through this, and I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. Okay guys, and now this is what I have, and what I want to do is flip my work because it's easier for me to work in this direction since I'm right-handed. And as I'm exiting from this silver, I will go back through this red one and pull. Now this is what I have, and I'm going to take 3 silver beads. You see 3, and I'm going through the following red one. Then I'm going to take 3 more. Okay. Go here. And guess what? I'm going to repeat this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now this row is ready, and I will continue by adding 3 silver seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this red one, I'm going back in circle through it, and I will go through these 3 beads, exit out of the next red one. Then what I do is that I add 3 more seed beads, go back here and pull, then go through these 3 silvers and exit out of the next red one. And I need 3 more, go here through this red, through these 3 silvers and through the following red and pull, and I will show you one more time. 3 silvers, go back through this red, through these 3 beads and through the following red, like that. Okay, and I'm going to repeat this guy until I'm up to here, and then I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and when I continue the same way, this is what I have. I added my last 3 beads from this row, and now what I want to do is make an additional step to make the shape of my edge better. Okay, I will go one more time through the edges of my work. In this way I will fix my my beads here at the edge, not to move and bend in different directions. Okay, I'm just going here around the edges of my work. And I think this gives a better shape of it. Okay, I think you got what I'm doing. Okay, continue this and I'll meet you here to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and when I continue this, I'm here. You see how these guys stay here, not moving around, okay? And I will take 1 8-0 and I will go back in circle through this one here. Then I will go through this 8-0 again. And what I'm going to take are 3 more 8-0s, just like that, and I will go back in circle through the same one. Now you see what I have, and I will go one more time around this element here, a 4, this right angle width element, and I will take 2 silvers, go here through this red one. Then again I will take 2 silvers and go here, and I will take 2 more silvers, go through this red one and fix this a little bit by pulling. And I need 2 silvers, and I'm finishing this one. Okay, finishing this, and I want to have even tension between those beads, but even if I don't have it now, I will try making it later in my next stage. Okay, and now I'm exiting out of this red one, and I will take just 1 silver and I will go back through this red one, and in this way I will put 1 bead in the center. Okay, and I will take 1 more 8-0, going back here through this one, then down there through these two silvers, through this red one, then again here through these two silvers, and here I need one more silver, and I'm going in this silver here. You see, here it is what I have. Then I will go through this red and through this silver here from the other side. And here, as I'm exiting from this silver, I'm taking just one more, and I want to go through this one like that, and also through the following silver and red. Okay, here what I do is that I go through these two silver beads, and I want to add just one more silver and go here, then again one silver, go through these two beads again. Okay, like that, and I will go down there. And now guys, I will go back and forth. I will go back and forth until I like the shape of it, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I went back and forth several times until I have an even tension everywhere and it looks okay. So now here what I'm going to do is make a knot, and as I'm here I will go here and make a loop, and I will go once and I will go second time through this loop I'm making, and I'm pulling, and then I'm going to go through my next seed bead. I will make some more knots, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay, and now guys, this is what I have. Okay, and now what comes to show you is how to add your ear wire. And in order to add it, the first thing is to open your jump ring. Usually I'm doing this with 2 pliers, but in this way I think it works with 1 plier. Okay, so I will take my ear wire, I will put it here, and I'm squeezing back. Okay, and now guys, this is what I have. My earring is ready. Guys, and now my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't, and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And don't forget that when you make some of my earrings, you could always change colors and have so many different and beautiful results. So you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my new merch store, where you could find pillows, hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, phone covers and so many other stuff, and the designs are made especially from me for you. They help you express your personality better, and they are a great present for you or for your beading friends. When you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel and my mission, and you could find links down there in description and here at the eye icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.